Add lemon juice to your laundry detergent, and you'll thank me when you make it at home. We will need the peel of 3 lemons. I will also add 500 milliliters of water into the blender. Now I'm going to turn on the blender until all the lemon peels are well crushed. Don't forget to tell me which country or city you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. After that, I will sift the entire mixture into a larger container like the one I am using. It is important to do this as we will only need the water with the lemon juice. Now let's add the first ingredient. Here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which will be the perfect amount for the trick I'm teaching you today. Then just mix a little. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to mix again. Many people don't know that salt is perfect for daily cleaning of the house. After mixing well, I will add a tablespoon of washing powder as well. This ingredient is very important for this trick, as in addition to helping to remove dirt, it will leave a pleasant smell after cleaning the places where you use this mixture. Lastly, I will add 150 milliliters of alcohol. In addition to disinfecting, alcohol also helps eliminate unwanted stains and marks. We will mix everything carefully to ensure that all the ingredients are perfectly incorporated. And if you've been watching this video so far, it means you're enjoying it, so rate this trick from 0 to 10 so I can continue teaching wonderful tricks like this. After mixing well, I will put the entire mixture into an empty detergent bottle like this one. Here I am using a funnel so as not to waste our homemade product. This mixture we just made is perfect for cleaning household appliances, especially when they contain grease and heavy dirt. The mixture of ingredients we added results in a very powerful homemade product for this type of cleaning. Not to mention that we don't always have a lot of time to clean the house, and after a busy day having a product that can be used on any type of surface and is easy to use makes everything more practical. Just apply the mixture where you want to clean, rub well with a sponge, and then wipe with a damp cloth. This homemade product is a powerful and natural solution for cleaning your appliances and your home. Lemon peels provide degreasing and antibacterial properties, while baking soda works to remove stains and odors. The salt provides a gentle exfoliating action, and the washing powder provides more efficient cleaning. Alcohol is a natural disinfectant that helps eliminate germs and bacteria. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time.